In this video, I'll walk you through the process of setting up the latest Tailwind CSS version 4 as a Vite plugin in a React project. So first, head over to tailwindcss.com and here I need to click on Get Started. So the installation process remains the same with one key difference. The Vite installation guide is no longer under Framework Guide section. Instead, it has now its own dedicated tab called Using Vite. So before installation Tailwind CSS 4, we first need to set up a React project using Vite. So let's head over to vite.dev and let's click on Get Started. And if I scroll down, so here is the code to install React project using Vite. So as you can see, we have this npm create vite@latest, but we will use this. So here, as it says, you can also directly specify the project name and the template you want to use via additional command line options. For example, to scaffold a Vite plus view project, run npm create vite@latest my view app --template view. So instead of view, we need React. Okay. And npm version should be 7+. Okay. So let's go to Visual Studio Code. And here I'll open the terminal. So view terminal, and here I'll go to desktop. So cd desktop. Okay. So here I am going to say npm-v. So mine is 10.5.2. Okay. It is 7+. Now let me just type it instead of copy paste. Npm create vite@latest my React project. Okay, instead of view, I need React project, and we need -- template, and here I'm going to say React and hit enter. So now we need to go inside this React project. So cd my React, just press tab, so it will take you to that path. Okay, hit enter. Now we are inside my React project. Okay, let me just clear this out. So now we can follow these steps, okay, of installing Tailwind CSS version 4. So let me just copy this, and here I'm going to paste it and hit enter. Okay, so this is done. Now let's go to the code. So I'll just say code dot, so it will open in a new window. So if I go to package.json, so now inside the dependencies, you will see Tailwind CSS version 4.0.15. Okay. So this is completed. Now we need to go to second step. So inside vite.config.ts, so ours is vite.config.js. We need to copy this highlighted lines. Okay. So copy, and here I'm going to paste it. And then let's copy this Tailwind CSS. And here I'm going to paste it. Okay. Let me save this. Now let's go to the next step, which is CSS. We need to import this Tailwind CSS. So copy this, and inside the src folder, we have index.css. So at the top, we need to paste it. Let me save this. Don't forget to save this file. Now we can run this command npm run dev. So open the terminal by pressing Ctrl and backtick key, or you can go by view and terminal. And here I'll say npm run dev, hit enter. So let's copy this and open a new tab, and I'm going to paste the URL. So as you can see, we have this Vite project. So we have this React project using Vite. So now we will change this color. So now this is the time for testing whether we have installed the Tailwind CSS properly or not. So we need to, so I'll change the color from black to blue. So let's go to app.jsx, and here this is the h1 tag. We need to add a class name that is going to be text hyphen blue hyphen 500. Save this, go back. So now as you can see, the color has changed to blue. So we have successfully installed Tailwind CSS version 4 inside our React project using Vite. So this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.